Welcome to our guide on the top 7 best dirt bikes for beginners, where we explore some of the best options to kickstart your off-road adventures. Whether you're new to dirt biking or looking for an upgrade, finding the right bike can make all the difference in your riding experience. Today, we'll dive into a range of dirt bikes that cater to beginners, offering a mix of power, reliability and user-friendly features. Let's get started and find the perfect bike to fuel your passion for off-road riding. At the first position of our list, we have the CDAR 49cc kids dirt bike, designed specifically for young riders. Diving into the world of off-road biking, this bike features a lightweight frame and a powerful 49cc two-stroke engine, providing smooth acceleration and easy handling on dirt trails. The CDAR 49cc dirt bike is equipped with steady front and rear suspension systems that absorb bumps and shocks, ensuring a comfortable ride over uneven terrain. It includes knobby tires for enhanced traction and control, allowing young riders to navigate various off-road conditions with confidence. Designed with safety in mind, the CDAR bike features a durable steel frame and reliable disc brakes for responsive stopping power. It's easy to start and operate, making it an ideal choice for beginners learning the basics of dirt biking. Parents appreciate the bike's adjustable throttle limiter, which allows them to control the speed for young riders. With its user-friendly design and robust build quality, the CDAR 49cc kids dirt bike offers a safe and enjoyable introduction to off-road adventures for aspiring young bikers. Next up at number 2, we have the Oryxearth 105cc 4-stroke mini dirt bike, known for its powerful engine and steady construction suitable for beginners. This bike features a reliable 105cc 4-stroke engine delivering smooth power and efficient fuel consumption, ideal for entry-level riders. The Oryxearth mini dirt bike is built with a durable steel frame and rugged suspension system, providing excellent stability and maneuverability on dirt tracks. It includes large knobby tires that offer superior traction and grip, allowing riders to tackle rough terrain with ease. Designed with adjustable height handlebars and a comfortable seat, the Oryxearth bike ensures a customizable fit for riders of various heights. It features hydraulic disc brakes for precise stopping control, enhancing safety and confidence during rides. Riders appreciate the bike's easy kickstart mechanism and smooth transmission, making it straightforward to operate for beginners learning off-road biking skills. The Oryxearth 105cc mini dirt bike combines reliability, performance and comfort, making it an excellent choice for novice riders looking to explore the thrill of off-road adventures. Moving on to the number 3, we have the X-Pro 125cc Vader gas dirt street bike. Designed for beginners seeking a blend of street and dirt riding capabilities, this bike features a powerful 125cc engine with a manual transmission, offering riders precise control and accelerating performance on various terrains. The X-Pro Vader Dart street bike is constructed with a rugged steel frame and robust suspension system, providing exceptional durability and stability during off-road excursions. It includes large knobby tires that grip the ground effectively, ensuring traction and control on dirt trails and paved surfaces. Designed with an ergonomic seat and adjustable handlebars, the X-Pro bike offers a comfortable riding position that enhances overall control and maneuverability. It features hydraulic disc brakes for responsive stopping power, allowing riders to navigate challenging terrain with confidence. Riders appreciate the bike's smooth handling and responsive throttle, which makes it suitable for both novice and intermediate riders exploring different riding environments. The X-Pro 125cc Vader gas dirt street bike stands out for its versatility, performance and durability, making it a top choice for beginners venturing into the world of off-road biking. At number 4, we have the X-Pro Templar X 250cc 6-speed dirt bike, ideal for beginners looking to step up their off-road riding experience with more power and versatility. This bike features a robust 250cc engine paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, offering riders enhanced control and acceleration on rugged terrain. The X-Pro Templar X dirt bike is engineered with a durable steel frame and advanced suspension system, providing superior stability and comfort during long rides. It includes heavy-duty knobby tires designed to tackle challenging off-road conditions while maintaining traction and grip. Designed with adjustable suspension and a responsive braking system, the X-Pro bike ensures precise handling and safety on diverse terrains. It features a high-capacity fuel tank for extended riding sessions, making it suitable for adventurous beginners exploring remote trails. Riders appreciate the bike's ergonomic design and comfortable seating position, which minimize fatigue during extended rides. The X-Pro Templar X 250cc dirt bike combines power, reliability and maneuverability, making it a formidable choice for beginners ready to take on more demanding off-road challenges. Next up at number 5, we have the EVERCROSS EV12M electric dirt bike, offering an eco-friendly and user-friendly option for beginner riders. This bike features a powerful 350-watt motor powered by a removable lithium-ion battery, providing quiet operation and zero emissions. The EVERCROSS EV12M electric dirt bike is crafted with a lightweight aluminum alloy frame and dual suspension system, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride in various terrains. It includes durable knobby tires that offer excellent traction and stability, making it easy for riders to navigate dirt trails and paths. Designed with an adjustable seat and handlebars, the EVERCROSS bike accommodates riders of different heights, providing a customizable fit for maximum comfort. It features a digital display that shows speed, battery life, and riding mode, allowing riders to monitor performance during rides. Riders appreciate the bike's quick acceleration and responsive braking system, which enhance control and safety in different riding conditions. The EVERCROSS EV12M electric dirt bike stands out for its eco-friendly design, ease of use, and versatile performance, making it an ideal choice for beginners exploring off-road adventures. Moving on to number 6, we have the Racer MX350 Dirt Rocket Electric Motocross Off-Road Bike. Designed for young riders seeking an introduction to electric-powered off-road biking. This bike features a chain-driven motor powered by two 12-volt batteries, offering quiet operation and reliable performance on dirt tracks. The Racer MX350 Dirt Rocket is built with a steady steel frame and front fork suspension, providing durability and stability during off-road rides. It includes large pneumatic knobby tires that grip the ground effectively, ensuring traction and control over various terrain types. Designed with twist grip, acceleration control, and hand-operated rear brake, the Racer bike offers intuitive handling and responsive braking for young riders learning essential biking skills. It features a retractable kickstand and folding foot pegs for easy storage and transport convenience. Parents appreciate the bike's safety features and adjustable riser handlebars, which accommodate growing riders and promote comfortable riding posture. The Racer MX350 Dirt Rocket Electric Motocross Off-Road Bike combines performance, safety, and ease of use, making it a popular choice for young beginners eager to explore off-road adventures. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have the NewRay KTM 450S XF Dirt Bike. Known for its authentic design and realistic features that appeal to beginner riders and collectors alike. This bike is a replica of the renowned KTM 450S XF motocross bike, featuring detailed graphics and steady construction. The NewRay KTM 450S XF Dirt Bike is crafted with die-cast metal and plastic components, ensuring durability and authenticity in its design. It includes working suspension and rolling wheels, allowing enthusiasts to display or play with the bike in various settings. Designed with accurate detailing and vibrant color schemes, the NewRay bike captures the essence of the KTM 450S XF model, making it a coveted item for motocross fans and collectors. It stands out for its realistic appearance and quality craftsmanship, offering both aesthetic appeal and playability. Collectors and riders appreciate the bike's attention to detail and robust build quality, which reflect the high standards of the KTM brand. Whether for display purposes or as a beginner introduction to dirt biking, the NewRay KTM 450S XF Dirt Bike provides an authentic motocross experience that delights enthusiasts of all ages. And there you have it, the top 7 best dirt bikes for beginners, each offering unique features and capabilities to enhance off-road adventures. Which bike caught your attention? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow riders. Thanks for watching, and until next time, ride safe and enjoy the thrill of off-road biking.